Okay, zeroed out. Timer started again. Let's see. Okay, like we're straight, make sure we have the sun in our face. Okay, fuck it, here we go. Oh, that's it guys, it's still for me hard to see when this car is lined up. I need some orange. That's why the slash works so great for me. With the black and orange I can see perfectly when it's lined up. Okay, there you go. So, don't have too much time guys, so hit the road. See what we just did. Don't think it was faster than 110, but you never know. Let's just a smooth run. And I'm having a bus coming again. So as you can see guys, we have a consistent 110 now, so the Cappack definitely. See that? 110. We pop the body again for you guys. So consistent 110. That means that if I do the first run perfectly, perfect start to the end, means I can get her past 110. That's always. Look at this. So, yeah, I need to tighten that screw from my van, otherwise it's a bit noisy, as you can hear. Anyway, 2x3S. Yeah, as you can see the plug, 6000 milliamps graphene. Small light bulb for the EC. See that? 11.1. Red 150 BLX. Not the best, but yeah, also not performing too bad. Castle was a bit faster though. Similar setup, I hit 115. But yeah, let's see what we can do a bit more. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more of this car, maybe with a high-end setup, TP motor, XLX, etc., please give the thumbs up and give a comment below. See you next time.